Oh, hey there! I was just testing out the 2021 Toyota Sienna's rear seat entertainment system. It's got a 1080p HD display that looks really pretty good. This redesigned minivan is seriously comfortable and offers loads of equipment. I think you're really gonna love it, though there is one thing about it that I just cannot get behind. Yeah, it's that front end. Anyway, the new Sienna is so well equipped, it's practically like a house on wheels. I mean, I feel completely at home in here. I can watch my favorite shows while sprawling out in these magnificent second row buckets. These optional super slide captain's chairs, can you believe this? They move up to 25 inches fore and aft for truly first class comfort. They're also heated, and get this, they come with integrated ottomans. What more could you ask for? Well, an ice-cold beverage might be nice. There are up to 18 cup holders in the Sienna to stash refreshments in. And just like your kitchen, this particular example is fitted with the optional mini refrigerator, which is great for keeping drinks cold or snacks at a food-safe temperature on long drives. But the Sienna's 120-volt power outlet means you can chow down on more than just cold cuts and string cheese. In fact, let's make one of my favorite road trip snacks, popcorn. This recipe is low in calories, but high in flavor. Plus, it's super easy to make, even on the go. Here's how you do it. You just take your favorite brand of popcorn like that, you toss it into the popper's hopper. There we go. Oh, and let me tell you, you're gonna wanna keep a little bit of salt handy and probably have a couple bowls because you're gonna wanna share this with everyone else. So once you get your popcorn in there, place the lid back on just like that, and don't forget the top, safety first. Then you just plug it right into the Sienna's outlet there, and you wait a few minutes. Son of a, that's hot! Gosh damn it! Ah! Next week on In-Car Cooking with Craig Cole, we'll make yummy freeway fritters that deep fry right as you drive. Stay tuned. Well, messes happen. So do burns to your groin area. And the 2021 Toyota Sienna is here to help, with the messes at least. Just like a Honda Odyssey or Chrysler Pacifica, you can get one of these minivans with an integrated vacuum cleaner. However, unlike either of those rivals, Toyota engineers mounted their system here in the center console. Other useful tech includes a multi-zone climate control system. You can also get a premium JBL sound system with 12 speakers, and there's even available Wi-Fi, just like at home. As you'd expect, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa compatibility are all offered. There's also an available digital rear view mirror and a color 10-inch head-up display. The new Sienna comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, the automaker's latest suite of advanced driver aids, which includes things like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. Now, unfortunately, I am not allowed to drive this van. This is just a very first quick look video. In fact, some of the plastics in here don't even appear to have graining on them just yet. But what I can comment on is this interior, and I gotta say, I kinda love it. This bridge-like center console is super cool, and it gives the Sienna sort of this cozy feeling, yet it's still open and airy at the same time, if that makes any sense. Underneath, you get a large storage bin, and then across the dashboard, there's another cubby, and you'll find plenty of interesting textures in here as well. Overall, this cabin is extremely well done. I like it quite a lot. It's just a shame about the exterior. Yeah, supposedly this van's front end was inspired by the bullet trains in Japan, so there's that, I guess. Finally, let's talk about what is behind this massive grille and then wrap this video up so I can go take a nap or something. For 2021, the Sienna is only offered with a hybrid powertrain, which means a traditional V6 engine is no longer offered. What you get is a very familiar 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that is matched to a couple electric motors that, among other things, function as a continuously variable transmission. Now, total system output clocks in at 243 horsepower, which is about 40 less than you get in either a Honda Odyssey or standard Chrysler Pacifica. However, that trade-off should be well worth it because the Sienna here is estimated to return 33 miles per gallon combined, way more than either of those competitors, and yes, that's a few mpg better than a Chrysler Pacifica plug-in can provide. Beyond all of that, the Sienna can also be fitted with on-demand all-wheel drive. So basically, a separate electric motor is mounted at the rear, and it spins the aft tires as necessary. Now, if you happen to own a few toys, all versions of the Sienna are rated to tow up to 3,500 pounds, which isn't too bad. The oddly styled but highly comfortable 2021 Toyota Sienna should start arriving at dealerships in November. Pricing, of course, has not been announced just yet, but the current version starts at around 33 grand, so I imagine this one would be just a little bit more than that. However, the new for 2021 top shelf Platinum model is going to cost way more, so plan accordingly. Anyway, with all of that out of the way, I think I'm going to go lounge some more since I am dressed for it, and probably vacuum popcorn kernels out of those seat tracks, but you take care.